Hi everyone, welcome back to CodeCanvas. In today's quick CSS tutorial, we are going to learn about a powerful but often overlooked feature, case-insensitive CSS attribute selector. Let's get started. First, let's quickly recap what an attribute selector is. In CSS, you can target elements based on their attributes. Let's see how. Input. So we have this input type is equal to, let's say we have text, and let's add some border 2 pixel solid blue. Okay, so this css will target all input elements where the type is exactly text. But what happens if the attribute value is in the uppercase, like type is equal to text? That rule won't apply here because by default CSS attribute selectors are case sensitive. Now, here is the cool part. CSS lets us ignore case using the I flag. Here is the syntax. Just add I here. That's it. This rule selects all anchor tags where the href value ends with .pdf regardless of the case. So it will match, let's see, it will match .pdf or .pdf, .pdf, and so and so. Let's see one real example. Let me remove this. Here, let me add one anchor tag with href value. Let's say document.pdf. Okay, and download pdf. Okay, now similarly, let me copy here some file dot pdf, download file. Okay, let me add one br tag here so it will be proper formatted. Okay, so now we have two anchor tags with dot pdf with capital pdf and dot pdf with small pdf. Okay, let's go to css and try to add some css. Anchor tag href is equal to here dot pdf, and simply what we can do here, color, let's add some color here. Okay, and font weight, let's make it bold, and let's see how it is working. So here div here. Now what we have done here, okay, so here href should be with dollar, right? And it should be like, let's see how it is working. Okay, so now as you can see, this anchor tag is not styled, and here anchor tag href dollar is equal to dot pdf. Color, let's change the color to something else so we can see the difference. It should be black now. Okay, now as you can see, this anchor tag is now styled with color and font weight, not this one, although the extension is pdf. So to fix this, you just have to add I here, and let's see the magic, right? Cool. Both links will now be styled the same way. no matter how the file extension is written. That's the power of case insensitive selector. Let's talk about browser support. This feature works in all modern browsers: Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, any other browsers as well. So you can use it with confidence in most of the real world projects. Okay, that's it for today's video. Now you know how to make your CSS attribute selectors case insensitive using the I flag. It's super useful when you can't control the HTML or want more robust styling. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to CodeCanvas for more quick web dev tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments and I will see you in the next video.